Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start the video, please do subscribe to Joy of Being a Homemaker and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification whenever I upload a video. Today I'm going to give you all some tips on how to organize your kitchen countertop. Tip number 1. Always think your space as real estate. This is the overview of the countertop. Whenever you organize a space in your house, think it as a real estate. Use the space to make the most of what you have and organize efficiently. The first thing here is a soap dispenser. I got this dual soap dispenser so that I can use this for both hand and dish soap, and at the back it also has a space to put your dish sponge. Tip number 2. Try to maximize the space. Always try to maximize the space you have. Here, I use this 3-tier organizer to maximize the space I have so that I can make use of the vertical space. I keep all my medicines, hot pads and vessels in here. Tip number 3. Keep regularly used items handy. Keep the things that you use very often handy. Here, I keep my oil dispenser right next to my stovetop. I use this wood tray to keep my fresh oil and a steel dish to keep my used oil. And I used a coaster in the bottom so that the oil stains doesn't spoil my wood tray. And to the right of the stovetop is my canister with all my ladles. And the next thing is my rice canister. We eat rice daily in our house, so I keep that on my countertop. Tip number 4. Clutter free. Try to keep your space clutter free as much as you can. Here, I try to keep my stovetop clutter free. Whenever you cook food, try to clear the stove as soon as possible so that it looks neat. Tip number 5. Organize according to your family needs. Whenever you organize a space, always keep your family needs in mind. Here I have this small island on the opposite side of my kitchen. In this white bin, I keep my essential oil diffuser and few essential oils in this. I use this diffuser daily in the morning so that the house smells fresh and clean. And next to that, I keep all my son's snacks in this cookie jar so that whenever he needs a snack, he takes a stool and grabs a snack from it. And in this steel dish, I keep all my fruits and avocados for my husband. Whenever he comes home, he grabs his favorite fruit from that bin. And the final tip. Space for small appliances. Always designate a space for your basic things like water filter or microwave. In this house, we are lucky that the house came with a microwave. If not, definitely designate a space for that. Here, opposite to my stovetop, I have this small corner in which I keep my water filter and my son's bottle drying rack in the back. And this is how I organized my countertop. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, Please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe.